Hi, today in front of me Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this option, we should hold for a while our device home screen and then swipe to the left side. Also, you can here use the Samsung free or the Google Discover, that doesn't matter. Just to turn off this option, you should click on the switcher, tap the home button, and we can see that the Google Fit is turned off successfully. To turn on this option once again, go back here, tap to the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.